and ripe avocados. See those there? So you know they're nice and ripe when the outside is kind of turned slightly darker green, almost like a darker red color in a way. And then also the flesh or the skin is slightly, soft. So that's when you know it's actually ready and ripe to use. So welcome back everyone to my channel, lover of all things good. Super excited to welcome you again. So in the continuance of the series of all things avocado, I am making some avocado pasta. So this pasta is actually gonna be really tasty. It's gonna have a nice, really creamy avocado sauce. I'm gonna have some green onions, some tomatoes. I'm even gonna add some roasted chicken. It's gonna be really good. It only takes about probably 30 to 45 minutes total. So it's a pretty quick meal, pretty simple, and excited to make this for you. I'm also excited to hear about your recipes in the comments and what you like to make with avocados.
It don't really matter what you say. I ain't listening to you anyway.
So now for our ingredients, we have some fresh avocados, onions, some lemons, some nice hot jalapenos, some Roma tomatoes, cilantro, as well as green onions, and some fresh organic free-range chicken. Now for our herbs and spices, I have some oregano, some thyme, some rosemary. I also have some red pepper, some turmeric, some sea salt, some cayenne pepper, some Himalayan pink salt, and then also some fresh cracked peppercorns. So I'm gonna start with the item that takes the longest. And I'm gonna start by taking this chicken that's been already washed. See that there? I'm gonna use a regular pan, and I'm gonna take this pan, and I'm gonna actually line it with parchment paper. I like using parchment because it makes it easier for cleanup. This pan is the perfect size. I just kind of fold it so it's nicely in there, but it's really great for like cooking for myself. I'm gonna go ahead and just take these chicken thighs and just lay them in like this. I'm gonna take some olive oil and just kind of drizzle on top of the chicken. Take some black pepper and just crack that over top. Take some of this Himalayan pink salt. I'm gonna just basically take a nice pinch. And I'm gonna also add some cayenne pepper. I'm using about 3 cloves of garlic. So I have some rosemary I'm gonna add on top. I'm just gonna cut it with my kitchen shears. I'm gonna also take I have some oregano here. And then I also have some thyme. And I just kind of like break it with my fingers like that. Take a little bit more salt and pepper, I should say. Put that on top. And if any of you are questioning, so this is the marble with the wood top salt jar that I actually put my pink Himalayan salt in. And if you have any questions about this, I actually did a video on it, so feel free to reference that video. So now we're gonna go ahead and take these avocados. I'm gonna rinse them and just basically cut them in half and then scoop out the insides and put them in this bowl. See that? Mash very finely this avocado. I'm gonna take this lemon and zest it. All right. Okay, so it's nicely mixed. See that? Nice and creamy. So now I'm gonna go ahead and chop up my onion. Alright, so I'm gonna actually saute this onion nicely as well. See that? Onions. Cover that for a couple of minutes. So I have my pasta water. It's almost like a wine. I've added some oregano, some thyme, some rosemary, some garlic, some pink Himalayan sea salt, and then also some pepper. This pasta, and drop it in. So our pasta is now done. I've let it cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. So we just got our chicken out of the oven. So I went ahead and cut up this chicken. So there's some cilantro and there's some lime juice on top of this chicken. So now I'm gonna actually take the pasta that's been drained. I'm going to add it to this large bowl. And I'm gonna add this avocado. And now we're gonna add some of these nice fresh tomatoes, onions, and cilantro to the mixture.